Greetings, my people. Here my advice about all these kids that going on missing in Jamaica, right? My little advice on the family them we are lose them kids and who not lose them kids as yet. When would I like enough you know, giving the kids some phone. I know say certain things on social media what I don't want the kids them to see, but you better not spend $100 or $150 buy a phone. All who they abroad can send back a phone to their loved one or two phone, make them know say yo their kids have a phone I go out with. When them a take certain taxi I go to school, any taxi at all in the vehicle them a traveling them take the picture of the vehicle, them take the picture of the driver, make them mother and them father know them who responsible for them know say yo and a vehicle me a traveling today. Right? All of them kids that we are going missing is like from age 12, 13, 14. The thing upgrade right now so that every phone have camera and every little baby we born nowadays can use phone and know about social media, so you can block your kids from certain things where you don't want your kids them to see, and make sure you talk to them and make them take the picture of the vehicle where them are traveling, the driver, and all of the little girl them when most of them have a little boyfriend from them 16 or 15, them a keep their little boyfriend or something. Have a little friend where you can tell say yo me I go out with Jason or me I go out with Andrew or me I go out with Romy or whosoever you go out with. You understand? Give them an update. Because I have people where you are trouble with nowadays are kidnap you. You understand? A people where you know nowadays are take with it. They your kids them. Yeah? So that is my advice to all of the people them in Jamaica. Like, too much kids are missing now, man, and you must can find a stop into it, because it don't make sense to send your pitney go to school and him jump in at this your car and when you look a man turn off certain place with him and go take her away or kill him or kill the kids and you know see back your pitney nowadays. You understand? So it too sticky on the kids them, and I don't want to hear say yo none of your kids them missing again in Jamaica. You must can have a little camera phone where you snap a picture. Easy as that, yeah? And what I want to say now about the dirty boy Marvin fam, I never finished my video today, you know. You understand? Marvin come on social media and him talk about the reason why him left Nikisha because Nikisha can't help him and him can't help Nikisha. And they know say him can't help Nikisha from first and Nikisha did know say him can't help Marvin. So as the girl breathes so now in dump the girl and run off, I'm gonna look what next girl now and do the same thing too. Remember say Marvin this him woman, you know, and this him wife, you know, married and make him get him green card, make him get him citizenship, you know. You understand? And Marvin disrespect that woman and go on social media and talk a lot of nasty things about the woman, bring down the like try bring down the woman career, you understand? When him know say him a the little junker in the woman life. And more time some woman a pick up some man and if you try to find out them background, try to find out them past relationship, how them deal with woman. You understand? You see, all the next woman we are going to pick up Marvin right now, remember say it's coming at her. It is coming at her because them boy they don't want no woman. You understand? Them boy they just want disrespect woman. You see man when he in a dance, say him a dance with woman and how he deal with woman. You don't love woman, you don't dance with no woman. So you dance with woman romantic and make woman feel turn on and woman say yeah me get a good dance and so. You understand? And the next thing again with the little dirty boy when me not like after him disrespect the girl, after him breed the girl now and walk up on the girl, he want to say no. The girl figure look life, look somebody. Tell me now, the baby where the girl have not even 6 months old yet. Not even 6 months old. And you want to tell me say now him just walk out of this girl alive now and this girl now figure pick up a next man now. We are gonna mind your pitney now. So this now kids get ill treated, you know, molested, you know. You see me I deal with all of the woman right now, the single parents I grew up them kids all over the world now. When if you look upon yourself, I mean I see one see upon Marvin that's on our road now. What hypeness pretty close and sitting. Marvin no have not even bed in here. Friend them telling them. I'm not hearing friend them telling us say yo not even bed where you deal with me general. Big up yourself. Not even bed the liquor drunker no have him out to dance with him do. And people hire him to come and them dance go and do foolishness with people girl pitney. He could have buy a bed out of them the money there. He better did go do 9 to 5. You understand? Better he did go do 9 to 5 and try set himself. He might run up and down and a disgrace. So what he might go do now? Run to one rich woman now. Fi mind him now. Fi build himself back. That thing can send money go get Nikisha fi mind the pitney. And that him want go do right now. You see, if I did all my brother more time, I just thump him in my mouth. I just sick me some here and a little dirty boy come on social media account talk and a disgrace girl. And yet still a girl would go pick him up and say, yo, him a hot man, he have nice clothes, him just nice and him smell good. Say, yeah, that's all I look for. If you have something about you, man, you must have some qualification about you. You understand? You don't see a picture with Mackerel and Marvin with you. You don't see a Marvin and a Mackerel match. A Marvin and a Mackerel match, yeah. 2 pieces of shit them. The Mackerel she come on social media come disgrace him mother. His own mother did that pick up for him for his first tell lies say she get pregnant for somebody at the school for the blind when they go. And now that's Mackerel disrespect her. She will come out come talk about say a big man, a man breed Mackerel, big man breed Mackerel, could have been Mackerel father. A little girl like that I go get pregnant from she 12-year-old. You know, say a girl bad friend before he born. The girl bad, a bad girl. Some of them little pitney, them no listen to them parents. Them no listen to them parents. They feel say, yo, from them attack, from them start bust breast and man a look upon them and man a touch them and a give them argument. They feel say them a woman. You understand? And if you hire kids and you can talk to your pitney and make you know wrong from right and your pitney abide to your rule, that's no kid. That's a growing ass woman or a growing ass man. So you better them find their own boundary. You understand? Or send them, give them over to the government, make them go a cop school. You understand? Send them go some help, make them get some help, some counseling or something. You understand? Right now, Mackerel need help because she I run up and down and talk, say she take people, man, and she them a interview and have per social media go and like say she a do the best thing out of your life. My father showed me out when me 14-year-old and when me go sleep on construction site and sleep back at one post office by cardboard. Thief one woman sheet off a line to get little covering when night cold. You understand? Until me get my first 2 weeks pay me come so boom go town and go live amongst my auntie them and start live different. When me know say yo me in a one house a comfortable, me can go up on construction site. Come in at evening time, me get me dinner, me put my money towards me dinner and things. So me I deal with. So more time some people have certain things in their life. More time where you go through the hard life, where you go through the roughness, where you go through. Me have it tough. You understand? For imagine that 12-year-old me, when me 12-year-old, you know my father do take me up, put in a boat and carry me go sea. When me want to go to school and me a ball say me want to go to school, my father say yo, me have to learn fishing because we not come to nothing good in a life. That's what my father say to me, and me remember all of them there's something there and yet still me not hate him and me not go bring him down, me just attack my mind. You see me a David? And she walk out talk about say she never get no love. She never get no love, so that's why she go run to a big man who could have been her father. And people are come pity for her and are sorry for her before them tell her say yo she go look counseling and try to change her little dirty life. But she a live but she a run up and down and take people, man. She need to fix up herself and come off of social media. All them gleaner that we are interview her and them people that we are jump up about them Mackerel this and Mackerel that. And see a help she want. No go to try help her. Try help her and stop flap the girl for she has flap more and more every day. She may feel say yes she be big past social media and put up couple video but she a take people man and yes it go viral and sit now well be known by people go viral. Go viral is not it. What about your future? What about when your son grew up and hear the dirty lifestyle where you used to live? And when a girl pitney we are run down Marvin. If you have sense and know say yo, the boy no want no woman, the boy no love nobody for if he having good wife and disrespecting good wife. And Nikisha them him go take up now and give the best treatment after a woman carry him in America and make him get in green card and in disrespect that the woman they disgrace the woman so much on social media. No matter where you and your woman have, you're not supposed to come on social media come broadcast your business. You must can find some counselor go or find some counselor go or find somebody where you can talk to. You understand? You know if you make anybody know your business. And from you see that the boy they do that, you should know say I want a piece of shit, I want a little junk. You understand? The boy if you just go and allow people girl pitney. You understand? If you again no living gay life and sit and stop hurt up people girl pitney, if I don't want no woman, you see how that the man they haul and pull woman. and fling woman there. So enough of them girls they have some fracture ribs or some fracture neck or sitting on him and pull off them wig or so. Eh? You should shame of yourself but you come off social media and talk about the reason why you left man. Talk the reason why you don't have a bed. Talk the reason why you don't have peace of land to build a house. And that you have to talk about and work towards it. A dirty, stinking, nasty, drunkra.